All right, an ice cream cone is 3 inches tall. All right. Again, I'll go to the whiteboard in a moment, but this, a cone looks sort of like this over here. All right. So an ice cream cone is 3 inches tall, and its top is a circle with diameter 2 inches. So I know the diameter of that thing is 2 inches, by the way. We'll go to the whiteboard in a moment, by the way. And I have the copy of the question in my hand, by the way. The cone is filled with ice cream, such that the interior of the cone is full. The cone is topped with a hemisphere, that's half of a sphere, of ice cream with a diameter of 2 inches. What is the total volume in cubic inches of the ice cream, in and atop the cone? So I got to, kind of visualize that. And let's go back over here. And let's put our little cone down. And again, I'm not too good at drawing pictures over here, but I got this over here. And I know they said something about this thing over here. And I think, I'll go back and read. An ice cream cone is 3 inches tall. So this dimension over here is 3 inches. And then this dimension over here, which is the radius of it, and some people call this the height of it. I would call it the height, by the way. I should say some. And this would be the radius of it. Get my eraser out again. Now it says its diameter is, let me go back over here, 2 inches. So it means the radius is 1 inch. Okay? So then the thing about this over here is that, the volume of a cone, you have to know that. The volume of this cone over here, I'm going to put volume of the cone, is going to be pi r squared, the radius of this thing over here, by the way, and then times h over 3. So the volume of this cone over here is going to be pi. The r squared is going to be 1. The h is going to be 3, and then divided by 3. So it's going to be pi. And the dimension of this thing is in, I got to go back over here again. Let me see. Oh, inches. So it's the volume of the cone is going to be pi inch, and that's going to be cubed. All right, inches cubed. All right. Now, by the way, it's topped with a half of a sphere. So I need to know the volume of a sphere. Right, the volume of a sphere is going to be 4 pi r cubed over 3. Right, so it's really going to be half a sphere. So a hemisphere, the volume of a hemisphere is going to be 1/2 pi, I'm sorry, I put the 4 down, pi r cubed over 3. Let's just do that. So the volume of the hemisphere, well, 4 over 2 is 2, so we get 2/3 pi. And what's r? Going back over here, r is 1, so it's going to be 1, and then it can be inches cubed. All right, I think I can add that together now. So what do you get over here? You get pi plus 2/3 of a pi. This is 3/3, by the way. What do I mean by that? 3/3 of a pi is just pi. What do you get there? 5/3 of a pi. And that's going to be inches cubed. And we're done. Thank you.